This is lab report template. All students will follow the same template for the all lab experiment submission. So first let's look at the sections of the lab report template. So you will not use any, I will keep marking as well. You will not use any report title. आप किसी भी किस्म का कवर पेज इस पे नहीं इंसर्ट करेंगे. There will be no list of contents. There will be no list of figures, and you will be use header. Header will be according to the as given for this page. This means you are mentioning your registration number on the left side of the header and your lab report. This part will remain fixed and you will keep updating the number as per your lab experiment number. And similarly the footer as given for this page. So let's look at the footer. So there is only one page number to mention in the footer. So this will be page 1 of 2. You will follow the same format. This is different from your lab manual page numbering. So this will differentiate that this page is for your lab manual or this is page of your report, and total number of pages in your report. The next is the font type for the text and the body. This is the text that you will type, and this is the headings and the body that you will type. We'll see in the example. So you will be using the Times New Roman throughout your report. However, for the codes, that is either for the MATLAB or that is for the Python, you will be using the actual code font type. That means that you will copy from your simulator and will paste it as it is in the same format, in the same color, in the same line spacing, etc. The code will be the remain same, whatever it is, either from the Python or either from the MATLAB or any other simulation software. The heading one, that will be you will be using like the pre-lab task one, that will be 16 and bold. Heading 2 should be 14 and bold. Heading 3 should be 13 and bold. And the body or the text should be simple text, paragraph text should be 12, and this is not bold. And the line spacing in the text and body should be 1.15. Remember that this is not 1.5, this is 1.15. So it will make your more text and data on one page instead of 1.5. But the similar to the font type, the line spacing for the code will be 1, or actually you will not be inserting any formatting any space for the code. It should be remain the same as in your simulator. And if there is any space before and after the paragraph that's making the your code looking a bit wider, then you can narrow down it to so that we can read it easily and we can check it if it is correct or not. So inserting the code, you will follow the template that you will insert a single cell of the table and the paste code in that cell. This is like this. You will create a single cell and you will paste your code in that. I will in the next page I will show you the sample. And image quality, it will be set to the very high. In the two links are provided in the description of this video that will show you how to use this total formatting, and also how to set the high quality images in the Microsoft Word. So you can look into those videos, easily set these formatting. So the page size and the margins are, you will be using the A4 size throughout your reporting, and 1.5 margins from the top, bottom, left and right. For the figure captions, you will be using the figure one, and the font size will be for the caption is 12 Times New Roman and bold. So in this sample lab experiment report, I have included this roll number at the header, and this will remain the same because this is a lab experiment one. This is the pre-lab, this is heading 1, and if I say this is the when I click it, it shows the heading 1, and this is heading 2. As I have set the fonts, and the fonts are accordingly, you can see the 16 and bold, 14 and bold, and this is the body text, this is 12, and this is set as a normal. and you can see in the other two demo videos, that is links for the videos are given in the description of this video. You can follow to those videos to check how we can set these formattings. So if we want to insert the code, we will simply insert one cell of the table, like I insert once again for you. Insert one cell and paste your code here. And similarly, the graphics, this is from the MATLAB, and you can see that its resolution is high. And captions are again for the 12 and bold. And this is how we can write the equation. The one thing that I want to mention here, that you will not leave the empty spaces at the end of the page. Like if you have put this image here, and now your data or the next figure or the next code is not setting up here, you can not leave the page like this empty and you are not now going to the page 2 and put it here. No, your page should be completely filled up. Adjust your diagrams or code or the line spacings according to the requirements. Thank you.